Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I have some more of the Grinch collection from Makeup Revolution to test out. I have the big eyeshadow palette here. I've got the lip kits, I have the highlighter, and I also have the trio of liquid eyeshadows as well. So I'll just quickly run through the products with you first. So as I say, this is the large eyeshadow palette. So it comes presented like this. Very, very nice, very Christmassy. And then we open it up and it's shaped like this. So we've got a big Grinch head here. And then the protective cover on it says, "I'm not mad, it's just how my face looks." And then we have a lovely size mirror on there as well. And this is the colour story. So yeah, it is very, very Christmassy, very Grinch, lots of greens in there, which I'm liking. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. So we have Seaside Crocodile, Whoville, Mean One, Snarky, Cindy Lou Who, Resting Grinch Face, All the Humanity, I'm Not Going, Mount Grumpet, His Heart Grew, and Noise. And then we also have Grinch Fingers, Santa Claus, Grinch Please, Merry Whatever, Antisocial, and I Hate People. And then we also have the liquid eyeshadows. So we've got 3 in here. We've got like a greeny coloured one, a kind of bronzy reddy one, and a gold one in there as well. These are the liquid eyeshadows. They're not the best swatches in the world, I must say, but we have the Grinch, Max and Cindy Lou Who here as well. And then the highlighter packaging looks like this. And then the actual highlighter itself is shaped like a Grinch head, which is pretty cool. So it's like this, and then we have Snarky written on the front here. And this one actually slides out. And then this is the highlighter itself. So it's really nice. It looks a bit like a champagne-y gold colour, I would say. So a perfect highlighter. And then there's also a little mirror in there as well. And then lastly, this is the lip kit. So it's a beautiful Christmas red shade. And we have a liquid lipstick and a lip pencil in there as well. So yeah, we've got the liquid lipstick and the lip pencil. And then this is the swatch from the lip kit. This is a stunning red, really, really nice. It's like a beautiful cherry red, I would say. But yeah, really, really pretty. Right then, so let's go ahead and try it out. Right, so I'm going to start off doing eyes today, and I'm feeling a bit of a green look. I'm going to start off with Mount Crumpet. I thought it was Grumpet, you know. I've just looked, so I had to double look at that. I laughed at myself because I said Crumpet, and it actually is Crumpet. Grumpet would be better. Right, so I'm going to start off by putting that into my crease and just above as well. It's kind of like a lime green colour. Okay, that's actually gone on really, really nice. And then under that, and on the outer part of my eye here, I'm going to take the shade Grinch Please, which is this darker green just here. Oh, nice pigment on that one. Do you know what? That's some beautiful pigment on that green, and on the first one as well. So the greens, so far, so good. And then on the inner part here, I'm going to go in with a liquid eyeshadow. And I'm going to take the shade, which was the Grinch, just here. So I'm going to take some on the back of my hand just here. It's quite liquidy, this formula, I will say that. So I don't know how opaque it's going to be. I'm going to take some on my brush and then just use it almost, wow, like to cut out a crease. That is beautiful, really, really nice. My gosh, that is stunning. Really, really pretty. And yeah, it's not transparent at all. It is nice and opaque as well. But what I am going to do, because I'm so tempted by it, is to go in with the shade, which was I'm Not Going, which is this one right in the middle. And I'm just going to pat that over the top of this as well. So I'm just going to take this and kind of just pat it. Because I feel like they're fairly close shades, and I think not only will it help to set down the liquid eyeshadow, but I think it's going to make it really pop as well. Yeah, that is really, really pretty. Tiny bit of fallout just here, but that's fine. I'll get rid of that. Right, so then underneath, I'm going to take the shade I Hate People, which is this really dark kind of khaki green shade just here. Okay, that's really nice. And right on my very inner corner, I'm going to take that really icy shade just here called His Heart Grew. Oh, wow. That's pretty, really nice. Okay, so I'm just going to go and wax some mascara on, and then we'll try out the highlighter and the lip kit as well. Right, okay, so that's eyes done, and I am so happy with them. I'm really, really obsessed with this eye look, I have to say. So next we'll go on with the highlighter. So I'm going to take a bit on my brush. We'll pop some just here. Oh, I think I tapped off too much, so we'll try again. Oh, wow. That's quite intense, but it's nice at the same time. Yeah, that's a really lovely, like, champagne glow. Can you see that? Really pretty. Yeah, that's a really, really nice highlighter, actually. It's intense, but it's nice at the same time. It's not over intense. But yeah, you don't need a lot of it either. A little bit goes a long way. I think that's really pretty. Really nice. Right, lip kit. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips. So the liner looks like this. And then I'll take the liquid lipstick. Really nice. Okay, so I think that's a really pretty red. I haven't got any on my teeth, no. Yeah, a really, really nice red. And it does smell of cherry, which is really nice as well. So we are all done. So here is the finished look. And yeah, I am really, really happy with this. That eyeshadow palette, the colours that I used were beautiful, really, really nice to use. I would say one of the nicest Makeup Revolution palettes that I've used in a while, actually. They were so pigmented, really, really nicely pigmented. They blended into each other really nicely. The liquid eyeshadow was beautiful, really, really nice. Love the highlighter. I love the lip kit. Literally not a bad word to say about any of it today. But yeah, really, really happy. So as always, all products used in today's video I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes or anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.